Hey everybody, welcome to Soapy Flows. This is Robbie today. I have a new view today, so you can actually see Soapy made. Today we're going to make our rain soap. Let me get you one of those so you can see exactly what she looks like. There we go. Beautiful rain soap. I can't wait to make it, so here we go. So today we have our light water. As you see, I am covered. I have long sleeves on. We are safe. And so I'm going to mix those in with my solids here. We're doing a hot method transfer today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it. Get this out of here. And I'm going to pour it into my container, making sure that it's ending up right over the top. You always want to try to strain your liquid. Sometimes there can be lint and impurities. We don't want that. All right. Okay. Went ahead and did that. I'll go ahead and put that in there. I got a little spice over here for my empty dishes. We're going to go ahead and melt that down. All right. Basically what we're doing here is mixing this together. So this is our hot solids. And we're just going to mix together our hards with our softs. So this is a liquid state oil and this is a hard oil at room temperature. And here we have our palm and our coconut. Right. Sorry to move my safety goggles there, just to make sure they're not slipping off. It's a sad thing when you got glasses on glasses, everybody. But they do have these ones I love that they cover my glasses, but in this heat. All right, so let's mix that around. Make sure we're at a good temperature before we add it to our other solutions. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and take our handy gun and let's take a look at that. We're about 104 and these are about 71, so we're going to let this come down a little bit more. We don't want it too hot. We're only doing a few colors today, so a little bit of heat's not going to bother us, but we just want to make sure everything's melted. All right. Okay, we got that pretty much melted. We'll go ahead and mix our two together. Mix in a few colors. Go ahead and get that. We're going to do 3 of the blue. And these are half of a teaspoon. We're going to do, excuse me here, a darker blue. This is a Caribbean blue. And what I just added is a blue tide. This is from 𝘈𝘧�々𝘶𝘵. This is from Brambleberry. The Caribbean blue is just to add that darker color, and the tide is just to give it a nice shimmer. All right. Got that. We'll go ahead and mix in our greens. For the green, I just have a very simple light lettuce entertainio. Lettuce entertainio is from 𝘈𝘧𝘬𝘶. Do one of that. 1 teaspoon. We don't want that overpowering, it's just a mix in. We want the yellow and the other color to stand out. Alright, and then we have basic yellow mica, and I'll open this up so you can take a look at. And that's going to go in our other one. This is from Brambleberry. That's going to go in this one. I'm going to do 1.5 teaspoons. The reason we're doing a little bit more of that is because it takes a little bit to stand out. I am going to add a little bit of shimmer These are all biodegradable from Mad Micas. This is called Into the Mist. I'm going to add a little bit because it's supposed to represent lightning. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get my blender together and just do 1 or 2 pulses. Today we're using Rain by Nature's Garden. I have this mixed in here with our kaolin clay, and I'm going to put all of it pretty much in here into our blue. And the reason I'm doing that because I don't have a lot of these colors today, so I'm just going to put like a douse in the yellow and a douse in the red, just to make, or in the green, just to make sure it gets some. So that's a teaspoon. Everything else is going into the main one. These are accelerators, so I know that they will accelerate. And when I say accelerate, it just basically means that it's going to accelerate the soap and make it saponify quicker or harden quicker. We'll have less room. So if I'm going quick today, that's why. It's good to know. Most websites will tell you about your fragrance oil before you even buy it. So it's always good to check on it. Make sure it doesn't rice. Ricing means it looks like rice. Alright, actually this one's behaving really well today. Okay, I'm actually really surprised how well this is behaving. Okay. I'm going to do one more. It's behaving very well. I hate to say that out loud. Okay. And then this one, I'm just going to do a quick stir and a quick blend. I am going to blend this a little bit more. It's my base layer, everybody. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I'm going to stick blending at this point. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put in my thick part first. Alright. Okay. And we're doing a layered effect, and then we're going to do a swirl with Brambleberry's swirling tool. Make sure you get all that soap in there. Alright. Okay. Don't want to miss any of that soap. Alright. Just do that. Move this over a little. You guys see that? Beautiful. Okay, I'm just basically going to move this around. It's supposed to look like rain, so if it's got a little bit of a texture in it, it's fine. Really important is that we get this all. This is setting up a little bit. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to pour my green into my yellow. Once I have it into my yellow, I'm going to do a quick turn. I'm going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. Now, mixing wand here from Brambleberry. Basically what I'm going to do is go, turn this around, put this over here, and I'm just going to go up and down. it. Okay. Gonna do one here, and then one on the side because that's where they are at. We're gonna do this to get all that soap off. Good. Okay. Give it a quick bang. I'll be right back. Every bar gets a little bit of some. Okay, well, all right. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit more. Sprinkle down the center. And we'll call it done. All right. Here we go. Here we go. You can see our beautiful colors. And then we'll come back in 24 hours to cut it. Here's our beautiful soap, everybody. I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And keep soaping and enjoy and do something great for the community. Have a great one. Peace out.